another Friday. Thank the Lord. Yeah, this Honda, bro. Is that a cop behind me? Was it me, Ossifer? It's the other white Stinger GT on this road. These are 5 tips for do-it-yourself car washes at home. So number 1, use different towels for different services. And what I mean by that is use a different towel for different parts of the car, the paint, the glass, the wheels. The main reason why you don't want to use the same towel that you use on your wheels on your glass is because if the wheels have like dirt or debris, you pick that up and put it on your glass, it's a bad combination. I would even go as far as to say use a different rag for each wheel. Number 2 is simple, do not wash in heat or direct sunlight. That's a common mistake. Don't worry about it. We all make that mistake when we first start washing cars. We're in a hurry trying to wash it for whatever reason, and it's not something that comes across your mind as something being detrimental. And the reason why is because the sun's going to dry out the water, which is going to cause water stains. And really, you don't want like certain soaps and chemicals sitting there being baked in the sun onto your paint. If you have to wash your car in the sun, make sure you do it by section and quickly hose off. As long as you're keeping the paint cool, you're good. Number 3, stay away from brushes. 0, and I mean 0 brushes. And especially the ones at the do-it-yourself car wash places, those are the most cringe whenever I see someone use those, okay? What you're doing is using a brush that everybody else uses, that they use on their wheels, and you're using it on your paint. It's like seeing Bobby Hill over here using it on his truck wheels, and you're thinking to yourself, should I use it on my paint? No, stay away from that. You don't want to do that. It's gonna scratch up your paint. It's not gonna be a good time. Who would use a public brush? That's disgusting. Why would you use a brush that everybody uses? And you're gonna make swirl marks all over your paint. That's why if you ever look at a nice black car at night or with some nice light on it or even some sunlight on it, you'll see that it has swirls all over the car. Number 4, don't use dish soaps or dish detergents to wash your car. That's why it's great for washing dishes, not so good for paint, because paint is sensitive. It's gonna remove the protective layers of your paint like clear coats. So what I recommend doing is just using a normal car wash soap that you pick up at AutoZone. And the last one, number 5, you wanna wash the wheels first. And the reason why you wanna wash the wheels first is because that's the dirtiest part of the car. Okay, you don't want to wash your wheels with one rag. Again, separate rags. You don't want to wash your car and then move up. If you notice on the car, most of the time it's the bottom half of the car is always dirtiest because that's the closest part to the road. So naturally, it's going to pick up the most debris. So those were 5 things to keep in mind while washing your car at home. There's more things that I could bring up that can probably help you with car washes, and I'll do that in later videos where I'm more extent. I'll even probably do a video of me doing a car wash from start to finish, exactly my process of how I do things. Go ahead and comment below, guys, what you guys want to see more from this channel. Obviously, we're not going to just stop at car reviews and car product reviews and stuff like that. We're going to do more than just that. So I really want to hear from you guys. What do you want to see from this channel? Tell me. If you're in a local area of Orlando, Florida, or Florida in general, and you want to meet up at a car event, feel free to email, DM me, anything at all. My Instagram will be below. Thanks for watching again, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos. Until the next one.